What's up everybody, I'm DX Alphax here and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be playing some solo Brawl Stars and hopefully getting a dub. And do me a favor, go below the video, hit the like button and watch it turn blue. Trust me, it's a lot of fun. And one more thing, if I get a solo dub, you have to press the like button. But if you would press it without that, I would really appreciate it. But if I get one, you'll have to. And also there's my Discord server link in the description. Go join my Discord server. And also in my description of Discord there's 50 subs to DX Alphax on YouTube, please. So help me get 3 more subscribers. I have 47 now. And without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So we're gonna be playing with Jackie first. Let's go. We're in the game. I've turned down the music and SFX because it's annoying. I think you guys must like it, but I don't. I really don't like it. So I've turned it down. And also guys, guess what? I've been playing this game for 3 years. I've been grinding for 3 years. And I still don't have a legendary. And my brother just started to play the game 4 or 5 days ago. He opened his second mega box and he got Spike. From my opinion, Spike is the worst legendary, but it's a legendary. It's the same thing. It is a legendary. So my bad luck is so bad. What? That doesn't even make any sense. Hit the like button so I shut up. Okay, so this is the Colt I had to fight right now. Kill them. And maybe I can get a first game dub. If I get a dub, you have to hit the like button. Come on, guys. Okay, I won't get the dub, I'm pretty sure. Dude, he has 7, I'm 5. I have to wait for 3, yeah. No. Wait, but I got in the showdown. And in the games, showdown is always counted as a win. So, come on guys, hit the like button. Come on guys. And also help me reach 50 subscribers. I need 3 more. And thank you guys, I posted my first video and got 47 subscribers. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. My favorite brawler in this game actually is Crow. I love Crow. I have oh my god, dude, no way. My favorite brawler in Brawl Stars is Crow. I love that brawler. It's just OP from my side. I've been doing all my quests and all that just so I could get Crow. And comment down below which is your favorite brawler. Oh, and this map, dude. The map which I'm playing in is the worst map from my side because it has so many bushes. People can sneak attack on you. You won't even get to know where are all the people. That's why I hate this map. Also comment down below which is your favorite map and your favorite brawler. My favorite brawler is Crow. No, I'm dead. Dude, I don't have any ammo. Okay. Saved. Okay, I guess I'm gonna rush this guy. Shall I? No, I'm not gonna rush him. At all. Okay, I'm dead. Yes, I'm dead. No! Come on, this can't be happening right now. I had no... See, that's why I hate this map. You won't even get to know where all the people are and then they just sneak attack on you. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna use that strat. I'm gonna sneak attack on this Colt. Well, not properly a sneak attack, but it's an attack and I won. I killed him. Yay! And there's a El Primo roaming around in these bushes. And there's a El Primo right here somewhere as well. Oh my god, no. Okay, I'm dead. Crap. It's okay, it was good. I think it was good enough. Came fourth, not that bad. Mm. And also, guys, shall I tell you one thing? That after, when you get on, when you have enough trophies, like imagine if you have 5,000 or 6,000, I have around 6,000 right now, that's not that bad, it's good. Then, when people start playing Brawl Stars, they get new brawlers, they think that Shelly is not such good of a brawler. But once you have Shelly to a good rank and a good power, honestly, Shelly is one of the most OP brawlers from my side and from my friend's side. I think it's one of the most OP brawlers. I'm gonna kill this guy. Dead. I'm gonna open this. No, I'm dead. Dude, this is not fair. I don't like this. Like, you saw how that Shelly like just destroyed me. Shellys are OP. Especially their special. It's so good. And also comment down below which is your favorite video game. Maybe I would start playing that game as well. Like my favorite right now, it's Fortnite. I love Fortnite. Okay, shall we go for that tick? I think I would leave him for now. Take this for the moment. I hate this map just because of the um, extra bushes it has. That's unfair for that Edgar. He's getting teamed on. I guess I'm gonna go for the tick now. Shall I? Well, he's a thrower. Throwers are really good when you're surrounded by a wall or something. Like right now, there's a wall and I'm dead. Okay. Oh, I just did that. Oh, now I got. Yeah, I get. No, 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 no. Wait. 1 second, guys. 1 second. In duo showdown. Ooh, that's not possible, boys. I guess I'm gonna take Colt now. I'm gonna do this challenge. I don't like Colt that much. Maybe you guys do. And also I'm gonna start uploading videos of Rocket League and Fortnite from Monday. So stay tuned for that as well. Not only gaming, I'm also going to be uploading videos of tutorials of how to solve Rubik's cubes, like 2 by 2 3 by 3. If you don't know some, just comment down below and maybe I'll just post a video on that. If you want to learn and you don't know how to, just comment down below, I'll post a video. And one more thing, not only with my friends, I also play video games with my viewers. There's my Discord server link in the description. Go join my Discord server. In 1 week I post 2 videos, and 1 week I take one viewer to play with me. So join my Discord server, guys. I would appreciate that, and also hit the like button on this video. Why am I talking so much? Lol. Oh my god, dude. See, that's why I don't like this map. 514 damage only. Oh yeah, by the way, when I used to play this game, like as I told you in the starting, I've been grinding this game for like 3 years. When I used to play that game back in time, I used to love Colt. Colt was my favorite brawler that time. That's why it's ranked 20 right now. And now I hate Colt. I really don't like it. It's one of the worst brawlers from my side. Lasered him, dude. I absolutely lasered him. Not absolutely. Oh, someone's spectating me. Who's that, I wonder? Oh, that's a laser. That's called laser. Laser, laser, laser. Someone's spectating me. I think it's one of my friends or my little brother who got a legendary so early, and I didn't. I told you in the start of this video what happened. Dude, only 2 people have died till now. What's this? It's not fair. I don't like this. Okay, there are 2 bulls fighting over there, and I just killed one of them. Ooh, that's some damage. Oh, I saw a person go. No, no, please. Oh my god. That Cole just won so easily. He would be like, what? And guys, remember, I got a dub in the first game, so you have to hit the like button. Come on, guys. Help me out with. I need 3 more subscribers. Help me out. Okay, there's a bull right next to me. Empire OP. What does that even mean? Oh, tagged him 514. That's not such good of a damage. No! Dude, I'm not using Cold. That's why I hate Cold, dude. No way. Especially in this map where people sneak attack on you, Colt is not good at all. I guess I'm gonna take. Should we take Edgar? Let's try. The one thing I like about Edgar is that it super charges up by itself. You don't need damage for its super. That's one thing I like about Edgar. So, we're here. And there's one more annoying thing in this game that I don't like. When you go into the loading screen of a game and people are not joining only. You're like alone in the game, people are not joining. That's so annoying. I don't like it at all when that happens with me. Okay, there's a bow right there. Honestly, I like bow. I like bow. It's a good brawler. Okay, I have to run. I have to run. Dude. Why didn't I run? My question is, why didn't I run? When I had the option, I had to run. Why didn't I? Otherwise, this was the game. I got, I guess, 5 power cubes in the start. Think so. 4 or 5 I got. I got 4 or 5. And also, guys, I'm gonna be giving some. I'm giving my friends. There are 2 of my friends who also have a YouTube channel. I'm gonna give their link in the description. Go subscribe to them as well. It's gonna help them. It's gonna help them a lot. Their link is gonna be in the description. Go subscribe to them. They're gonna be Arav and Vivan. They're my friends. There we go. We just killed 2 people easily. Gonna take that. Appreciate it. There's gonna be the Edgar over here somewhere. And I'm dead. Oh, no way. Dude, my heart skipped a beat over there. That was so close. That was so freaking close. Okay, I have my special with me. And there's a Shelly in the game who I'm gonna die from. Shall I rush him? I guess I should. No. Are you kidding me? Did he just do that? That's good. 11 power cubes. That's really good. But the Shelly is... Oh my god, no. I wanna win. Let's go. GG, boys. Okay, I showed the like button emote as well. Come on, guys. Help me out and hit the like button. So that's gonna be the end of the video. I'm gonna give the link of my link. I'm gonna give the description. What was I saying? What am I saying? Just hit the like button, so I shut up. And also, my friend's channel's link is in the description. Go subscribe to them as well. Thank you guys for watching the video. I appreciate it. Help me get to 50 subscribers. I have 47 right now. And join my Discord server. Thank you guys for watching.